So if you are also someone who struggles with study timetables, this video is for you. Hello guys, I'm Dr. Reem and I'm here to give you some tips and guidance for your NEET PG preparation. So I'm someone who was never really fond of timetables, but I have come to realize that they are really important to keep a track of your studies and to actually complete your targets. So I'm going to give you a basic guide to prepare a timetable that is easy to follow, doesn't feel too hectic, and is also customizable as per your needs. So if you are also someone who struggles with study timetables, this video is for you. I think micromanaging every task of your day is not really practical because वैसे follow करना बहुत difficult हो जाता है, and then you will just get stressed that timetable follow नहीं हो रहा and freak out. So instead, what we do is we'll divide our day into time slots for study sessions and breaks and try our best to stick to that. Do not extend your breaks too much. Some days it's okay, but do not make it a habit. So firstly, we will make time slots of 3 to 3.5 hours for study and 1 to 1.5 hour breaks as per your need. Let's say you start studying at around 9:30 to 10 am. That was how my schedule was. I would wake up at around 8:30 or 9 and then sit to study within 1 hour of waking up. So morning session will be from around 10 to 1:30. उसके बाद lunch and break till 3 pm. And then afternoon session from 3 to 6 or 6:30 as per your capacity, and then 1 hour break till 7:30. Then your next session would be 7:30 to 10, then 1 hour break for dinner 10 to 11, and then 11 to 12:30 would be the last session. Now I took a break at 10 pm because I had my dinner that time. You can keep your dinner break at 9 pm and take some extra hours in the night. Now this schedule gives you 10 to 11 hours of study and 8 hours of sleep with enough breaks. This is obviously for people who are not working or doing the internship. If you're working, you will have to manage your time accordingly, and I'll suggest try to at least incorporate 6 to 7 hours of study per day. If you have a hectic job, if you're doing your internship, try to sit for 4 hours a day if that's possible for you. And obviously, following a timetable is not easy. In the beginning, you will not be able to follow it perfectly. In fact, even later, you'll not be able to completely follow the timetable every single day. But it gives you a time limit that in the time ke baad I'll take a break, so it keeps you motivated. And during your study sessions, of course, you will have to take 5 to 10 minute breaks every hour or so in the beginning. But later, you have to try to minimize these breaks with time. ये हो गया time management. Now coming to subject selection, morning and afternoon are longer sessions, so you should keep your major subjects there. If it's your first read, I would suggest do the same subject in both the slots. But if you're revising, I'd highly recommend take different subjects in morning and afternoon. And in the evening slot, you can go through a short subject. This is so that you can keep in touch with multiple subjects at a time and try to pair subjects that complement each other in morning and afternoon. For example, अगर morning में medicine लिया है तो you can take pharma or patho in the afternoon. अगर surgery लिया है तो you can take anat. This will also help you to integrate subjects and study. Now for evening slot, which subjects you take? Because it's a shorter time, around 2 to 2.5 hours, you can take derma, ortho, psych, radio and anesthesia. These subjects you can cover a major chunk even in 2 hours, and other than this, you can cover your backlog from any previous subjects. Now जो last slot है before sleeping, that will be a 1 hour or 1.5 hour slot. So here only do revision. You can revise some topic from previous day, or you can see your 20th notebook या फिर custom module कर लो. Custom modules में what you can do is do MCQs of the same day or previous day, but try to put at least 2 or 3 subjects in the module. You can do a 50 question custom module of any number of subjects. With time, try to increase the number of subjects you put in the custom module. जो subjects revise करके हो गए वो add करते जाओ. Like this, you will get a habit of seeing varied topics at one time. I'll show you my timetable that I used to make. So it is very basic, just a rough idea of what to do. You can see what I've written here is only time slots and the subject that I have to do. Nothing too fancy, nothing too detailed, just a rough idea of what I have to do. And even I did not perfectly follow this timetable all the time. So that is natural and it's completely okay. You just have to not get stressed about it and keep moving. So this was about it. All the best for your exam, and if this video helped you, do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.